it not only impacts the safety and ergonomics of, getting an operator out of that area, but it also improves the potential safety risks that you would have associated with this. In a lot of these, you're either dealing with cutting tools or you're dealing with presses that are in the neighborhood of 100 tons. A lot of hydraulics, and as soon as you have an operator with their fingers right next to the press, we're trying to keep the operator as far from that as possible. There's so many hazards that they run into just by being around the press, being around these machines, that there's much better value add work that they can bring to the table.
Quite right.